Here's how to convert MP4 to AAC audio. I created a file converter with my brother. He's a software developer, and it's called ConvertSave. And it can convert images, video, and audio offline for you. And so if you just drag and drop into ConvertSave, like an MP4 file, and we go to select output, we can select AAC down here, and we can just hit convert. It's that simple, and it will convert and save that audio file right next to wherever that file came from. And so you can check this out with the link in the description or top comment, or you can just go to convertsave.com. We made this because I was sick of going to weird, sketchy websites to do all these file conversions. And so, my brother's the software developer, and I asked him if we could make this app where we can just drag and drop different images, video, and audio files and have a convert button and be able to just convert it and save it right back to wherever that came from. And we made exactly that. It works on Windows and Mac, and it's also offline, like I said. So no more uploading or downloading files. It works directly on your computer and just converts and saves right next to there. Now we're really excited because we just add a bunch of really advanced features. So there's this new button right here, which basically allows you to go in and completely customize your own conversions. If you know FFmpeg, ImageMagick, or any of the other tools that are being used, you can actually put in your own custom flags here. Or you can go inside of our options builder if you're kind of not sure what you're looking at, and you can actually build out your own custom conversion with all these different parameters. So like audio filters, volume, there's different audio channels. If depending on your video, you can adjust the bit rate. So that's kind of like the quality. And you've got these different options in here. So really cool. And then you just apply those flags and you can see how it created the custom command for you. And so now instead of the default command, it'll use this command when it does the conversion. And so we can clear that out because I don't want to accidentally save that to this conversion type, which is what you can do. You can actually save so that you can always convert in a certain way. Or you can just go back to the default. It's really easy. And then I'll hit done there. And so that's how you can convert MP4 video to AAC audio using ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys find it as a valuable tool, and we're really working to add a lot more features and a lot more support. And I appreciate your guys' support. I'll see you in the next one.